Okay, once again, students, very good morning to each and everyone. As we have completed the definition of chapter number 9 along with explanation, and I have sent the exercises and the copy work to you. Yes, today we will try to do the exercises. Today we will try to complete the exercises. So let us see the exercises today. We are going to do the exercises of the chapter. Today we are going to complete the exercises of the chapter. Now once again, for confirmation, students, if you are able to hear me, please show me your thumb. Students of class 4, if you are able to hear me, show me your thumb, please. Thank you, thank you. Okay, now let us see. Have you got the exercises of chapter number 9? Have you got the exercises of chapter number 9? Everybody? Yes, each and everyone have got. So let us see form possessive case of the following. Let us see exercise number 1. Exercise number A. Look, read the instruction given on exercise number A. What is exercise number A saying? This is the instruction. Form the possessive case of the following phrase, of the following sentence, of the following sentences. This is the instruction given in exercise number A. Students, each and everyone, please look at the board. यही instruction है जो board पे दिया हुआ है कि हमें करना क्या है. What we have to do in exercise A. Exercise A. Form the possessive case of the following sentences. We have already learned three rules how to form possessive case for singular noun, for plural noun ending with s, and for plural noun not ending in s. एम आई राइट स्टूडेंट्स? ये तीन फॉर्मूला मैंने आपको सेंड भी किया है और आपने क्लास में पढ़ा भी है. राइट, ओके, फाइन, थैंक यू. नाउ लुक एट अबाउट स्टूडेंट्स. The first question is here that the speech of the president, the speech of the president, the speech of the president. Okay, we will write the answer on the next slide. See the second question. The tires of the cycle. The tires of the cycle. Now let us see the third one. The sari of Mrs. Singh. Of Mrs. Singh. Next, number 4. The kitten of Mrs. Singh. Question number 4. Now look at question number 5. The teachings of Buddha. Look at number 6. The novels of R.K. Narayan. The novels of R.K. Narayan. Number 7. The writing of Charles Lamb. And number 8. Look at number 8. It is the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India. Now look at about students. These are the questions which we have to complete. This is exercise number A, and we have to change this sentence to possessive case. इस सेंटेंस को हमें पॉसेसिव केस में चेंज करना है. Yesterday we have done some of the examples in class. In class we have already discussed yesterday. कल हमने डिस्कस किया था about all these things. Now my first question is to Priyanshu Singh. Unmute. Priyanshu Singh, please unmute and now change this first sentence to possessive case. The speech of the president. The speech of the president. Change it to possessive case. No answer. Next question goes to Anshika. Anshika,
Yes, ma'am.
unmute. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Anshika. The speech of the presidents. Can you help me out with this?
President's speech.
The presidents. The
President's
president.
speech.
President's apostrophe S. The
Yes,
president's speech.
speech.
The president's speech.
Speech.
Mute it. Mute it, Anshika. Next question to Sandeep Kumar. Sandeep, unmute kar
Yes,
lo. Yes, Sandeep.
yes sir.
Tell me the tires of the cycle. Now change this sentence to possessive case.
सर आपकी वीडियो नहीं आ रही है.
वीडियो मेरी नहीं आ रही है.
Yes,
Students,
sir.
can you see my video? Can you see my video?
करो ना.
Your voice is not coming. Your voice is not coming.
Simran Jain, help me out with this second question. Simran Jain, help me out with the second question.
Sir,
Huh?
the cycle. Sir, the cycle.
The cycle. Is it right? क्या ये सही है? The cycle. सिमरन जैन, क्या लगेगा आगे?
Tires.
Apostrophe S. Yes. The
Apostrophe.
cycles, tires.
Tires.
The cycles, tires. Okay. Now mute it. Mute कर लो, सिमरन जैन. Now Anuj Singh, help me out with the next question. Anuj Singh, help me out with the next question. Anuj Singh, can you hear me? Help me out with the next question. The sari of Mrs. Singh. Okay, I will not ask to anyone. मैं किसी से नहीं पूछूंगा. I am not able to hear you. Now look at the board, students. The sari of Mrs. Singh. So this is our noun. This is our possessive noun. Now make here it should be Mrs. Singh's. Mrs. Singh's apostrophe S. Mrs. Singh's sari. Yesterday I have taught you. कल मैंने ये बताया था कि possessive noun हमेशा उस noun से पहले आता है. इसका रिलेशन इस नाउन के साथ है. यहाँ पे लुक हियर, ये सारी किसका है? मिसेस सिंह का है. मिसेस सिंह इज पॉसेसिव नाउन, तो सारी से पहले मिसेस सिंह हमेशा पॉसेसिव केस में आएंगे. ठीक है. नाउ लेट अस सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द किटन ऑफ मिसेस सिंह. स्टूडेंट्स लुक एट द बोर्ड. द नेक्स्ट ही इज हियर मिसेस सिंह apostrophe S. Mrs. Singh what? Kitten. Mrs. Singh kitten. This is the fourth question. This is the fourth question. I hope you can see on the board. Now students look at the next question. The teaching of Buddha. Here Buddha is a proper noun. यहाँ the हमने क्यों use किया? Because president and cycle it's a common noun. It's a common noun. But here Buddha is a particular noun. So we will use only Buddha. हम the use नहीं करेंगे. क्या use करेंगे यहाँ पे? Buddha's apostrophe S. Buddha's teachings. Buddha's teachings. Now, let us see the next question. It is the novels of R.K. Narayan. Now, here again, look at how to change it. R.K. Narayan apostrophe S. R.K. Narayan's novels. R.K. Narayan's novels. Okay, this is question number 6. Now, students, look at question number 7. The writing of Charles Lamb. Charles Lamb is also a name of a person. ये भी किसी व्यक्ति का ही नाम है. Now, right here, Charles Lamb's apostrophe S. Else. Charles Lamb writings. Now look at the last one, the Constitution of India. Now here India is also a proper noun, so it should be India apostrophe S. India's Constitution. India's Constitution. Now look at how we have changed. आप देख सकते हैं board पे, you can see on the board that how we have changed this sentences to possessive case. स्टूडेंट्स आप ये देख पा रहे हैं कि ये जो सेंटेंस दिया हुआ था इसको हमें पॉजिटिव केस में चेंज करना था. पॉजिटिव केस में चेंज करने के लिए हम क्या यूज कर सकते हैं या क्या यूज करते हैं? एपोस्ट्रोफी एंड एस, इन दोनों का यूज कर सकते हैं. क्या यूज करते हैं? कर सकते हैं नहीं, हम इन दोनों का ही यूज करते हैं. एंड इफ इट इज अ प्लूरल फॉर्म, अगर प्लूरल है तो उस समय हम केवल एपोस्ट्रोफी यूज करेंगे. इफ द नाउन इज एंडिंग विद एस, अगर एस से एंड हो रहा है तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते थे? Apostrophe. Now let us see the next question. This is clear. Look at the board, and if it is clear, show me your thumb, sir. It is clear. Show me your thumb, students, that it is clear. समझ में आ गया हो? थंब दिखा दो बेटा कि हाँ clear है everybody. Clear. Thank you very much. Now let us see the next question, next exercise. That is exercise number B. Students, we will try to complete exercise number B. Now you have the question with you. You know what is the questions given? Now same thing. Now let us see exercise. Today we will do the exercise and look at the board. Let us try to complete the next exercise. Fine, it is clear now. Now let me write down the next question. Rewrite the following sentence by changing the words in color to a possessive case. Now let us see here exercise number B. Rewrite the sentence. Rewrite the following sentence. Rewrite the following sentences. Rewrite the following sentences by changing the words in color to possessive case. To possessive case. Now students, look at the board. This is the instruction given in exercise number B. Exercise number B में जो instruction दिया हुआ है वो क्या है? Yes Vardhan, can you hear me students? Yes Vardhan, show me your thumb. Can you hear me? Fine. Now look at the board students. This is the instruction. क्या instruction दिया हुआ है? हमें exercise number B में करना क्या है? Rewrite the following sentences by changing the words in color, changing the words in color to possessive. जो भी sentence में color word है उसको हमें possessive case में change करना है. Now let us see number 1. The man of this horse is very long. Look here. यहाँ मैं कलर चेंज नहीं कर पाऊंगा बट आई एम अंडरलाइनिंग. ये दो वर्ड्स कलर्ड किया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में. आई एम अंडरलाइनिंग. नाउ वी हैव टू चेंज दिस. नाउ लेट अस सी द सेकंड वन. Second question is that the house of my friend. The house of my friend is near this park. Near this park. Here Park and house is the colored word. We have to change here. Now look at number third. The toys of babies. The toys of babies are sold in this shop. In this shop. Now look here again. Here, the toys of the babies is the colored word, and the shop is the colored word. Now let us try to change this. Students, look here. इस sentences में ये colored किया हुआ word से ही इन शब्दों को लाल रंग से रेड कलर से लिखा हुआ है और बाकी ब्लैक से. क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? इंस्ट्रक्शन व्हाट इज गिवन? इट इज गिवन दैट रीराइट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस बाय चेंजिंग द वर्ड इन कलर टू पॉजिटिव केस. नाउ लेट अस चेंज इट. द आंसर शुड बी हियर दैट द हॉर्स, HORSE, हॉर्स सिंगुलर है. यस, तो क्या यूज करेंगे? एपोस्ट्रोफी एंड देन एस. द हॉर्स मैन, द हॉर्स मैन यानी घोड़े की दाढ़ी, बाल, घोड़े की बाल. द हॉर्स मैन is very long. The horseman is very long. Okay, now let us see the second one. The house of my friend is near this park. We can use my friends, FRIEND. My friend apostrophe S. My friend's house. My friend's house is near this park. Look at the next answer. My friend's house is near this park. This is the second one. The first one, the second one. Now let us see the third one. The toys of babies are sold in this shop. Change it possessive case में. The babies, BABIES. Now look here, students. दिस इज प्लूरल, ये प्लूरल है और लास्ट में क्या लगा हुआ है? एस. अगर लास्ट में एस है, प्लूरल है और लास्ट में अगर एस लगा है तो हम केवल क्या यूज कर रहे थे? एपोस्ट्रोफी, ओनली एपोस्ट्रोफी. यहाँ पे एस यूज नहीं करेंगे. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूज हियर एस बिकॉज इट्स प्लूरल एंड इट्स एंडिंग विद एस. ये प्लूरल है और लास्ट में इसके एस लगा हुआ है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे केवल एपोस्ट्रोफी का प्रयोग करेंगे. द बेबीज टॉयज. The baby's toys are sold in this shop. Now look at the answers properly, and if it is clear, then show me your thumb so that I can erase the board. So that I can erase the board. अगर आपको समझ में आ गया है तो आप थंब दिखा दो बेटा कि हाँ it is clear, तो मैं बोर्ड इरेज कर सकूं. No one. Show me your thumb. Anshika Singh, clear. Everybody, students, show me your thumb. ना, if it is clear, समझ में आ रहा होगा ना? The mane of this horse is very long. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है कि जो बाल है घोड़े का वो बड़ा लंबा है, तो हमने क्या लिखा? घोड़े की बाल बहुत लंबी है, यानी पॉसेसिव में चेंज करके. मेन मीन्स क्या होता है? दिस इज मेन. लुक हियर, ये क्या है आपका? दिस इज लायन. This is lion. Okay, lion के अगल बगल जो ये बाल रहता है ना, this one, do you understand? ये this is called man. This is called man. Clear? समझ में आ गया? शेर होता है, शेर के नीचे जो दाढ़ी रहती है, बाल, उसको मेन बोलते हैं. घोड़े की भी आपने देखा होगा, उसके पीठ के ऊपर बाल रहते हैं लंबे लंबे. That is called man. Clear? So look here, the horseman is very long. यहाँ पे ये सिंगुलर है तो हमने एपोस्ट्रोफी एस यूज कर लिया. यहाँ पे फ्रेंड सिंगुलर है तो एपोस्ट्रोफी एस यूज कर लिया. नाउ लुक हियर, बेबीज. लुक हियर एवरीबॉडी, स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ बेबीज में ये प्लूरल है. बेबीज इज प्लूरल एंड इट इज एंडिंग विद एस, सो वी आर यूजिंग ओनली एपोस्ट्रोफी. हम केवल एपोस्ट्रोफी का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं इसको चेंज करने के लिए. नाउ लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर Let us see the next question, students, and that is question number 4. 1, 2, 3 we have done. Now let us see question number 4. Let us see question number 4. Look at question number 4. The costumes, kapde. Costumes means kapde. The costumes of singers. The costumes of singers are attractive. Are attractive. Are attractive. And attractive and costume of singers are colored words. Now let us see the next one, that is number 5. The wings. The wings of the butterflies. The wings of the butterflies. The wings of the butterflies are very colorful. Are very colorful. And what is the colored words? These are the colored words in this sentence. ये जो मैं अंडरलाइन कर रहा हूं बेटा, ये लाल रेड कलर से लिखा हुआ वर्ड्स है. नाउ लेट अस सी नंबर 6. The ears of elephant. The ears of elephant. The ears of elephant are very big. Are very big. Now ears of elephant is the colored word. Now students, look at the board. Everybody, now try to let me ask. Shall I ask or let me complete it? मैं आपसे पूछूं या मैं खुद कंप्लीट कर दूं? Okay, raise your hand. Who will tell me the answer? Who will tell me the answer? Raise your hand. Let me see. No one. Simran Jain. Yes, tell me the answer. Unmute. Tell me the answer of this question. Unmute कर लो. Simran Jain. Yes, can you hear me, Simran Jain? Simran Jain, can you hear me? Now tell me the answer. That the yes.
Costumes are
Your voice is not clear. आराम से बोलो बेटा. Speak slowly and properly. माइक को जुबान पे मत लगाओ, थोड़ा सा अलग कर लो और आराम से बोलो. Speak properly. The yes. Your voice is. I'm unable to hear. मैं आपकी आवाज नहीं सुन पा रहा हूँ. Sorry. Now who will answer? Anuj Singh, unmute. Anuj Singh, unmute. Yes, tell me the answer of this second question, fourth question. Anuj, can you hear me? Anshika Upadhyay, oh, sorry, Anshika Singh. Yes,
Sir.
unmute. Now tell me
The singers' costumes.
the singers. यहाँ क्या लगेगा आप ये बताओ.
Sir,
The singers.
sir बस apostrophe लगेगा.
Very good. Only apostrophe. Why apostrophe? Because this is plural
Because
ending
it's
in s.
plural.
Plural. और लास्ट में ending किसका? इसका end क्या है? S है.
S.
So we are going to use here only apostrophe. Very good. The singers'
Costumes.
are
Attractive.
are attractive. Very good. Now let me ask the next question. Mute it. I'll come back. अगर कोई आंसर नहीं देता है तो मैं आपसे पूछूंगा फिर. Mute it. उज्जवल खरवार. Ujjwal Kharwar, unmute it. Yes. Now
Sir,
tell me the next answer. Yes.
Sir,
Tell me
sir,
the next. वीडियो मेरी आ रही है बेटा. मेरी
नहीं
वीडियो
आ रही.
बहुत. अदर स्टूडेंट्स बेटा वीडियो आ रही है, आप थोड़ा सा थंब दिखा दो. इफ यू आर एबल टू सी माय वीडियो. वीडियो दिख रही है बेटा बाकी सबको? ये सबको दिख रही है. Next question, Ansit Gupta, can you help me out with the next question? The wings of butterflies are very colorful.
Yes, sir.
Ansit Gupta, yes, tell me.
The butterflies
Very good. The butterflies butterflies. इसके बाद after this
सर बस एफएस ट्रॉफी लगेगा, इसमें एस नहीं लगेगा।
very good. Yes, very good. Only apostrophe because this is plural ending in s. ये plural है और इसके
Yes,
end में
sir.
क्या है? s लगा हुआ है.
S
Only
है।
very good. The butterfly. Yes, the butterflies.
The butterfly wings
Wings. Yeah, wings are
very beautiful, are very colorful.
are very colorful. Yes. Very good, Anshit. Thank you. Mute कर लो अंशित. अंशित अपने से mute करो. Now let me ask to Yashvardhan. Yashvardhan, unmute it. Yes, tell me the answer. The ears of elephant are very big.
सर आपका वीडियो नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है, क्वेश्चन भी नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है।
आपकी नेटवर्क की प्रॉब्लम है बेटा. आप मुझे 1 मिनट.
सर अब दिखने लगा। The elephant apostrophe s ears are very big.
The elephant
apostrophe
as very good. The elephant's ears are very big. Very good. Yes, thank you. Thank you. आप समझ में आ रहा होगा. Yes, clear everybody. Yashvardhan, mute कर लो. Mute it. Thank you very much. Okay, now let us see question number 7 and 8. Let us see question number 7 and 8. Everybody, let us see question number 7 and 8. Let us see question number 7 and 8. Now let me write down the question. Question number 7, it is written that the canals of dogs, the canals of dogs had brown roofs. Had brown roofs. And what is the colored word? It is this, the canals of dog. Number 8, the dresses of these girls, the dresses of these girls are most beautiful, Okay, students, here this is the colored word, right? Now look at the board. Who will tell? Yes, Anshika Upadhyay. Anshika Upadhyay, now tell me the answer. And yes, tell me the answer. The
canals apostrophe
no. The dog apostrophe, केवल apostrophe because this is plural. Yes. Okay,
sir.
the dog
canals of canals
the dog canals
had brown roofs.
Very good. Yes.
Thank
you. Mute it. Next question is to Sandeep. Can you see the board? Show me your thumb. Sandeep, board दिखाई दे रहा है आपको?
क्या है वो में? ये तो नानी क्या था?
Arushi Bharti, unmute. Now tell me the answer. The dresses of these girls are most beautiful.
Hello.
The dresses of these girls are most beautiful. Change it. Avi Kushwaha, Avi Kushwaha. Avi Kushwaha. No respond. Who will tell? Ujjwal, you are not able to hear me. Anuj Singh, unmute. Anuj Singh, unmute it. Tell me the last exercise number B, last question.
सही बताएंगे ऊपर वाला
Tell me the answer. Anuj Singh, can you hear me? Okay, Anshika Singh. Anshika Singh, tell me. Anshika Singh, tell me the answer.
Yes, sir. The girls,
एप्पल स्टॉप
No,
the
wrong.
girls,
गलत है. No, no, no.
एपोस्ट्रोफी उसके बाद लगेगा.
No. Look here. These girls, girls is plural and ending with S, use only apostrophe. These girls dresses. These girls dresses are most beautiful. Are most beautiful. I hope you can see the board. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप बोर्ड को क्लियरली देख पा रहे हो. Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes, clear? Exercise
sir.
A and B. Yes, exercise. Students of my class, we have completed exercise number A and exercise number B. And tomorrow we will try to complete the last exercise, that is exercise number C. Okay? Okay. Now let me